Hello, I'm Gillian Hovell, the Muddy Archaeologist. I'm a lecturer at York University and for the British Museum, and I lecture nationally and internationally, and some of you have been on tours and cruises with me. A couple of new offerings for you this year. Ancient Roots, the origins of our garden designs, all those formal gardens. This is a colourful lecture showing you the art and the architecture that go way back to Roman times and their symbolism. Similarly, a new one is Spring Fever, the actual traditions and the festivals of the ancient world at this special time of year. A good seasonal lecture for you. And another one is the festive Yo Saturnalia, where we look at a Merry Christmas the Roman way and all of the good traditions that we have from 2,000 years ago. Or head to the Mediterranean. There's the Complete Pompeii, a wonderful study day where we look at the Roman town, the Roman way of life, the way archaeologists view the site. Or just have the lecture Digging Deeper with the Muddy Archaeologist. I've dug in a Plontis. Let me share with you what it's like to dig these fantastic sites. Take the big picture of the Mediterranean, an ancient Mediterranean tour, where we look at all of the civilizations, the Minoans, the Mycenaeans, the Egyptians and everybody, and we see the ebb and the flow of the cultures, all distinctive. How can you recognise each one? This is the how, what, who, where and when. And you know, art from even prehistoric times, visions of prehistoric art, they were as human as us. They had the same imagination, the same creativity, and we find our common humanity as we look at these textless images. I'm Gillian Hovell, the Muddy Archaeologist, and I look forward to sharing how digging deeper into the ancient past adds colour and depth and meaning to our modern lives today. Thank you very much.